Hello guys, welcome to Ramta Solutions. Today we're going to derive the area rule. So given triangle ABC where side AB is C, side BC is A, and side AC is B. Let us first try to draw a perpendicular height H from vertex B. Okay, so let's do this. H from vertex B. Okay, so this is H. Okay, now what we can do, let us also now try to see if we can find sine angle A. What is it? When you look at this diagram, as you can see, this portion here is a right angle triangle, so you can use your SOHCAHTOA, right? So if I'm looking for sine A, it will be opposite over hypotenuse. Why? Because this is a 90 degrees, right? So what is our opposite? Our opposite is H. What is our hypotenuse? Our hypotenuse is C. Similarly, I can do the same with side angle C. Okay, so let's say sine angle C is equal to, again, opposite over hypotenuse, right, which is H over A. Okay, so we can therefore say, oh, this means H is equal to C sine angle A. In this case here, H equals A sine angle C, right? H equals A sine angle C, right? So now we know that area of a triangle, right? We know area of a triangle is equal to half times base times height, right? This is all we know. We know this is a fact, right? So when we use sine A, we know our area of triangle ABC, the triangle we're working with here. The area of triangle ABC will be equal to half. What is the base? The base, remember, it's side AC, which is given as B. And what is the height? The height is given as C sine A. Alright, C sine angle A. In this case, we say area of triangle ABC is equal to half. Again, we still say the base is B, and then what is our height? We said it is A sine angle C. Right. So this therefore means our area when we're using angle A is half BC sine angle A. And when we're using angle C, our area is half AB sine angle C. Okay? It's half AB sine angle C. Okay? All right. Now, we have three vertex here, but here we have only found our area in terms of two angles. What about the other angle? Let's see what we can do. Maybe we should repeat this triangle. Should I copy it? No, let me not copy it. I will paste another triangle. Okay. Let me paste this triangle here, maybe enlarge it a bit. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna call it again. No, it's too small. It's too small. Maybe let me enlarge it a bit. Yeah. Okay, that's better. Okay, so I'm gonna call them A, B, C. Again, this is A, this is C, and this is B. So this time around, what I'm going to do is I'm going to construct perpendicular height from vertex A to BC. Okay, so I'm going to make it like this. So remember, it's perpendicular height. So this is my H, Maybe let me write it like this. This is my h. Okay, or or let me write it like this. It doesn't matter, right? This is my h. Okay, so I'm not sure if I can rotate it, but even if I don't rotate it, it's okay. So now what we can do here, we can say, okay, let's try to find, we cannot say we find sine A, all right? So we can only find sine B and sine C. So let's try to find sine B. So sine B is height over hypotenuse C. So this is h over C. Therefore, we say h equals C sine angle B. All right? Now we can also find sine C. So sine angle C is equal to height over hypotenuse. Remember, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So this is h over B, right? Therefore, we can say height is equal to B sine angle C. Okay? So, again, remember what I had said. I had said to you, area of a triangle is half times base times height, right? This is the information that you know by now. Area of a triangle is half base times height. So let's now try to find this area in terms of angle B. What is it? So area of triangle ABC is equal to half. What is the base this time? The base is side BC, which is given as A. And then what is our height? It is C sine angle B. And what is this? This will be half AC sine angle B. Now let's look at sine angle C. The area here, area of triangle ABC would be equal to half, what is the base? The base is still BC, which is referred to as small letter A. What is our height? Our height is B sine angle C. Right, our height is B sine angle C. Therefore, we can say our height, rather area of triangle ABC is half AB sine C. So, I want you to look at this. Let me go to the previous page as well. I want you to look at this. When we say sine A, sine angle A, we use side BC. This is side angle A, and then this is angle A, and then the sides are BC. As you can see, these sides are not opposite the given angle. This is the case here, angle C. Look at it. To find the area using angle C, we use AB. It is not opposite. They are not rather opposite angle C. Then angle B, we use AC. Angle B, AC, they are not opposite to angle B. Okay? So therefore, I conclude generally for triangle ABC, let me draw it. I'm not going to paste it this time. For triangle ABC, where we say this is A, this is C, this is B. The area of triangle ABC is equal to half BC sine angle A, or half AC sine angle B, or half AC sine, half AB, not AC, half AB or half AB sine angle C, right? Sine angle C. Okay, so generally this is what your area rule is. Okay, so when do you use it? When do you use it? You use area rule when given two sides and an included angle. Okay, when given two sides and an included angle. Okay, when you are given two sides and an included angle, this is when you can use area rule. What do I mean by that? I mean, I'm gonna go to the next page. I'm gonna draw the triangle again, and then I'm gonna draw one here. So we are given this one here, this one here, and this one here. We are given this one here, this one here, and this one here. So for this you can use area rule, but for this you cannot use area rule. Remember, for area rule you need this and this, not a side that is opposite to your angle, unless if you can find this side here. You cannot use area rule. Remember, you must be given two sides and an included angle. What I mean by that is that the sides that are given must not be opposite the angle. So if you are given here, as you can see, a side here and another side that is opposite to the angle, you cannot use area rule. Okay, you cannot use area rule. When do you use area rule? When you are given two sides and an included angle. Okay, all right guys, so this is it. See you next time and bye bye.